Hey there, welcome to my channel. I am Miss Neutro, and my mission is to make healthy lifestyle easy to understand. So let's learn about nutrition and implement this knowledge to enrich our lives. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest content. And now, let's get to the video. So today's topic is for everyone who wants to be wedding ready. Whether it is your sister's wedding or your brother's wedding or your son's wedding or your daughter's wedding, or even if it's your own wedding, everyone needs to have their A game on when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. But for a specific occasion, we need to go an extra mile. So here's bringing you to the ultimate pre-wedding nutrition guide. But that is not all. I will be sharing a sample meal plan with you at the end of the video. So let's start with the basics, which is you will have to start a few months before the wedding. Now primarily, you have to focus on balanced meals by including protein, fiber, good fats and carbs. Also, don't forget to increase your water intake to keep the skin hydrated. And last but most importantly, include 30 to 40 minutes of physical activity in your routine. Also, do not forget, gradual changes lead to lasting results. Now talking about your plate, we are told to keep a caloric count, which is fine, but filling it with good nutrition is something that we forget. Let's learn to balance it, which will simultaneously help us in managing weight. So this is an easy method to control your portion and add nutrition to your plate by dividing it into macronutrients. Macronutrients are protein, carbs and fats. So in protein, you can include chicken, fish, legumes, pulses for good muscle tone and for boosting metabolism. Then coming to healthy fats like avocados, nuts and seeds are great options for glowing skin and balancing hormones. Carbs should also be included in the diet, but complex carbs like millets, quinoa, sweet potatoes, brown rice are good options for sustained energy. Now all this should be included with a balance as shown in this image, which means more of veggies than moderate protein and required complex carbohydrates. Moving on to food that we need to avoid, whether there is an occasion or not an occasion, have been listed in front of you with examples. Starting with high sodium food like processed snack, fast food and canned soups can cause water retention, leading to bloating and puffiness. Instead, drink plenty of water to flush out excess sodium and opt for healthy snacks which you can make at home and store for maximum 10 to 15 days. Also, carbonated drinks like soft drink, sparkling water, champagne, beer can be replaced with herbs or spices infused water for hydration and nutrition. While a little caffeine can boost your energy, too much can cause jitteriness, dehydration and anxiety, which you will want to avoid before the wedding. Fatty cuts of meat like bacon, sausages and certain cuts of meat are hard to digest and cause indigestion. Also, chewing of gum of any brand chewed for longer time causes you to swallow air, which can lead to gas and bloating. And remember, any alcohol that you intake does no benefit to you. It can dehydrate you and disrupt your sleep cycle, which you'll need in the days leading up to the wedding. It can also increase water retention and cause puffiness. Now that you have learned about what foods to include and how to balance your plate well, let's talk about detox meals. So a pre-wedding detox typically will last between 5 to 15 days, depending on your goal and your current lifestyle. A shorter detox can help with reducing your bloating and boosting energy, while a longer detox may help with clear skin and improve digestion and will also help you to manage weight. The key here is to choose a detox plan that is manageable and sustainable without feeling too restrictive. Also make a note that hydration is key. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses per day to flush out toxins and to reduce bloating. You can even sip on detox water for the day. Just add lemon, cucumber, mint or ginger to your water to add benefits. You can also choose teas like green tea, peppermint tea or chamomile tea for good digestion and relaxation. Now, there are a few more important key pointers that we need to incorporate for a glowing skin and good gut health, which is workout and proper meal timing. For a glowing skin, you can take help of additional supplements like collagen, glutathione, vitamin E, but do consult with your dermatologist or dietitian before adding it to your daily routine. Also, make sure to follow the avoid list which was explained to you earlier in the video. Talking about your workout, now is not the right time to overexert yourself with a rigorous, sweaty workout. But sitting around all day is not an option. So make sure to stay active but keep the activity level at a mild to moderate level during the detox. Also, your meal timing is very important. So stick to regular meal times with balanced portions to prevent overeating at the end of the day. Start the day with a light but nourishing breakfast like smoothie, oatmeal, chia pudding to kickstart your metabolism. Have small healthy snacks like nuts or fruits between meals to keep energy levels steady. Okay, so this was your long list of do's and don'ts. But as promised, here is your sample detox meal plan which you can follow if you do not have any medical condition. You can take a screenshot of it for your reference. This sample meal plan is following our rules well. I hope you guys will be able to apply the same. Now, this brings us to the end of our video. But before saying bye, remember to be kind to yourself and to the people around you. And most importantly, enjoy the wedding. Also, if you see good results after following the rules and people ask you, how come you managed to balance your weight so well? Make sure to tell them that I am not dieting, I am just eating healthy. We have actually reached at the end of our video. Make sure to always consult with a licensed healthcare professional such as a qualified dietitian or a physician before making any changes to your diet, nutrition or exercise routine. Please do write down your nutritional interest in the comment section and I will try to make a video on it. If you understood the topic well, do like the video and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you.